On a foundational level, the XPG Mage achieves what you may expect for a standard mechanical keyboard with RGB LED backlighting. This includes delivering a full-size keyboard with individual lights and N key rollover. The included detachable braided cable is another nice touch. As for the lighting quality, XPG provides a good number of custom effects while also effectively placing the key legends so the LEDs shine through. I also appreciate the secondary functions with its illuminated effect to help users quickly find media keys, lighting adjustments, and profiles on the fly. Using the XPG software is straightforward and lets users assign macros and change lighting settings without too much hassle. On the other hand, even a basic mechanical keyboard needs to accomplish the basics well, as the XPG Mage shows signs of corner cutting. To start off, while its build quality is mostly adequate with its aluminum backplate, the keyboard has some deck flex when pressed. Next, its laser-etched ABS keycaps will quickly show signs of wear beyond what I have seen on other ABS keycaps, as mine has already done so with a slightly chipped corner and shining. Underneath, the kale red switches feel a bit wobbly on the longer stabilized keys, and the stabilizers squeak a bit during actuation. I would have liked to see a few extras, like a palm rest or even other switch options available for purchase. At the time of the review, the XPG Mage is available for $80 US, which is a very competitive price for the features that are included on paper. However, other entry-level mechanical keyboards like the Corsair K60 RGB Pro SE is the same price and has pretty much everything the Mage has, with a more solid backplate, wrist rests, and even PBT keycaps. As such, XPG needs to refine the aforementioned areas in quality before I can say the Mage is a convincing option.
The full review is linked in the video description below.